Hey, welcome to Faulkner Fixes All. Today we're going to unpack this bus only tow bar, a VW bug tow bar type 1 will not work. It has to be for the bus. It has to be, I think it's type 2. Anyway, yeah. It's longer, it fits under there more. And if you try to use a bug tow bar, it won't work. Anyway, today we're going to unpackage this, bolt it on, see if it goes onto my mom's truck, maybe even move it a few feet. You know, we're not really going to tow it off the mountain today, but we're just going to see if we can actually make this thing move. We can't really tow it on the highway like this unless it had a plate. I don't think my mom's truck can handle it anyway. But this truck could probably get it down off the mountain for a trailer or something. But this is just a dry run today. We're just going to make sure this fits. And if you haven't tuned in to some of the other videos, there's extensive work I had to do just to get wheels on it and get the GM spacers off. And, you know, just to make it roll. So, yeah, it's pretty rough. And conditions, work conditions up here, a bit to be desired. It's me and a bunch of junk. You know, there's no power tools, there's no torch. Yeah, if it works, it works. We'll just see what we can do. There's another junker. I used to drive this thing, actually. And my mom used to drive this. And then she realized that what she was driving on wasn't really a driveway. In fact, that's what happened to both of these trucks. People that weren't too intelligent decided that they were going to drive up something that wasn't a driveway. Yeah. Okay, so hey, thanks for tuning in. This is just a little preview video of a time lapse because I'm going to unpackage this tow bar and put it on today. And I'll probably put that on time lapse because it's going to take a while because I'm working in rough conditions. But yeah, this is a nice little split window. It's seen better days, but eventually I will try to get this off the mountain. It's got some issues. Spare wheels in there. Interior's pretty toast. What I did like about this, I think it's a post office van from Germany. I'm kind of wondering about this whole separation bar that was here. And also, what's really funny is it's really hard to get one of these with the actual cigarette lighter. Everybody smoked back in the day. Yeah, that was basically the only option. Your radio delete. You could not listen to the radio, but you could smoke a cigarette. Oh boy, disregard that Schwinn bike in there. Yeah, spare rims. The engine for this is actually, I took it back to my house in North Carolina and it's completely toast. I thought I could work some magic on it, and there's no magic to be worked on that case. The mice did their number on the case. They were resting in there. Anyway, so we're going to undo this, and hey, stay tuned. There's going to be a time lapse of me doing all this, and it's going to be fun. All right, hey, have a good day, and think good thoughts, and don't feed the negative, and just think of this thing rolling down the road at top speed of 53 miles an hour. Have a good day.